Concerns with pollutant emissions is not only for global warming, but also for air pollution, ozone depletion, and forest and wildlife destructions. Vehicle emissions mix with rainwater and creates acid rain, which damages crops and forests, hurting the people and animals that rely on them for survival. Fuel and oil spills from cars and buses absorb into the soil near the roadways and contaminate lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Air pollutants emitted from vehicles are linked to causing cancer, asthma, heart disease, birth defects, allergies, lung disease, and other harmful health problems. Pollution emission is measured by the fuel efficiency of the vehicle. Trains produce the least amount of pollution emission, and in the 1980s, planes had the highest amount but are now the second to lowest. What can we do to reduce vehicle pollution? We can maintain poorly maintained vehicles and old vehicles by getting regular tune-ups. We can get electric and hybrid cars, also known as clean fuel efficient vehicles, or carpool or use public transportation to minimize the vehicle pollution. Now let's talk a little bit about futuristic transportation. The future of aircrafts. Engineers are already working on electric propulsion to eliminate the use of fuel altogether. Airliners are in the works of designing flying taxis, as seen in the picture, that will provide door-to-door drop-off and pickup for local transportation. The concept will be used is tilt rotors, meaning the aircraft can switch from a fixed wing design to a vertical lift. Here's a short video about the futuristic of flights.
Technology.
The future of trains. Driverless trains are equipped with extensive safety systems such as collision sensors at either end of the train and fire detection systems. An automatic train operating system replaces the driver and would be monitored and corrected if necessary by the automatic train protection system. Hydrogen trains are CO2 emission-free trains, and they would be powered when hydrogen is burned with oxygen and produces huge amounts of energy that produces a byproduct of water only. The future of trains also include the Hyperloop, which is the most talked about railway proposal in transportation industry. It is invented by Elon Musk and has a tubular railway that carries speeds up to 670 miles an hour. This would mean that you can travel from New York City to Los Angeles in just over 4 hours. It works by propelling pods through magnetic levitation through a low-pressure near-vacuum tube. Now, Whitney had already talked about autonomous cars and the futuristic of cars. But by the year of 2021, the first production of self-driving vehicles should be for sale. The challenge will be communicating with other autonomous and human-piloted cars. Ford is currently working on vehicle-to-vehicle communication by LiDAR systems, which is light detection and ranging. LiDAR allows cars to sense each other, giving drivers an extended perception of what's nearby. By the year 2026, companies like Mercedes-Benz and Audi predict that fully autonomous driving will be advanced enough for regular use. They are also predicting that every new car will be equipped with Wi-Fi. By 2040, the majority of cars will be electrified in some way. Hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles, or FCEVs, will be the main focal point for auto manufacturers as it creates no tailpipe emission except for water and heat. The energy density of hydrogen storage on board is 5 times higher than that of today's electric battery technology. Much better for the environment. Thank you for watching our presentation of transportation. If you would like more information, please visit our resource guide and our activity guide to learn more. Thank you again.